see them over there?
There they are. Oh,
See them over there? We gotta go. People are waiting for me. We're here to pick up team number 3. He's been waiting for us all day.
Late for work? I'm late for work, right?
We don't want to miss our flight.
No.
We made it. So this is Dean, our pilot, and he's gonna be going all the way to Texas. So
Right.
4 below 0 now, but it's gonna be 65 down in Texas when we get there. Just trying to figure out how to get to fit in here. But she's gonna be tight. Well, we made our first fuel stop. Rick's next. The 10-minute unloading process.
Yeah. Watch this aerobatic maneuver here.
I'm gonna go out this door.
Yeah.
How to fit 4 sardines in a tin can.
Oh, Lord. Not real sure how I did this before.
Man, this guy's been doing his aerobics. He's all lubered up and
Oh, yeah.
look at this guy back here.
Service at its best. Oh, I can feel my toes. Well, guys, we made the first leg.
Hawaii?
Hawaii, this doesn't look any different than where we left.
I didn't know
Although
they had snow in Mexico.
it's hard to get heat back to your feet, so your feet get really cold. So I'm gonna get our boots on here, take a little break, get charged and ready for the next leg.
Yep. One push?
Plenty of room.
Really want to see Rick.
Give me a minute. That last time my legs were stretched that hard was at childbirth. You see that
You're
landing?
getting better.
You have to get your suntan lotion out on the next stop here.
Ready for leg number 2.
Leg 2.
Woo! We made it! We got our buddy Lance here, picking us up.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Dean? It is nice and warm out here.
Look at this.
It is so nice out here. It feels like it's 70. Below 0?
Freezing. Oh yeah.
And you can't...
It's gonna follow y'all down here. Lance.
Jesse.
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
Jesse.
meet you, yeah.
I'm Elijah. Elijah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Rick.
Rick.
Yep. Appreciate you inviting us down here.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is really a
Appreciate it a lot.
treat.
This will be fun.
In Texas, they do everything big. Even the coolers.
That's what you need to get on here.
The Llama Flama.
Llama Blanca.
Oh man, I get this wrong every time.
What's it called?
The white flame.
The La Flama Blanca.
Yeah.
The white flames, as Lance puts it. Here's where they planted corn. And the pigs go along here, use their snouts, and they dig this up and grab every corn kernel. And this is all pigs.
All pigs.
All pigs. Right, they go right down the rows, right where he had planted. See some of the corn kernels had already sprouted. Here's one corn kernel coming up. And the hogs have taken out the entire row for the next 20 feet here. These things are efficient buggers. They spread out 20 at a time and just pick a row and go, okay guys.
They about matched my 24-row planter.
Yeah, they match the 24-row planter. Complete devastation on this, and it's across the entire field. This is last night alone.
Yeah, guarantee you right here, because this was
Right
all
here.
good.
This is all last night. So it'll be a complete loss.
Yeah, I don't even think insurance covers it. When they came through the fence and Michael started shooting, they kind of spread, but they kept coming this way. So I'm hoping if we all get together and we get at least 2 shotguns going and 2 ARs going, the shotguns are going to be definitely the money shots. So they're going to come through this creek right here. So I'm going to supply that side and make sure they're not down there. And if they're not down there, they're 100% up here because this is big water up here, and they're not going to go far. And so I'm going to just set the Flama right here, and Well, we'll walk down there real quick. I'll show you where I think they're going to come. This is all getting our hopes up. And, yeah.
Ow! Pokey. So they're going to be coming likely from here and going all the way across right through this creek here. There were 2 sows that we had on camera over here, and they had about, I don't know, 10 piglets apiece or so. And we killed the 2 sows, and that's just this group of piglets that's not leaving this area. I think. I don't know. Okay. What's going on in that field? It's got to be the same group. Yeah, that means we got to take care of them. For the farmer.
That hog was last night. Yeah. 12 acres is gone, Mom.
What the hell we all need? No one's sleeping, huh?
See how they split through here? So if somebody gets down here, yeah, where that deer stand is, and then there's some running here, and Mom's sitting over here, and she's shooting at them. So, and see here, they came out here, and I was getting mad. You were getting mad. I was like, where's my gun on this drone? Right? I don't know how many you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think it's a 24 row planter.
I think you're right. That's our deplanting group right there.
Yeah.
Remove.
Let's go buzz. Let's go buzz this back field back here and just try it. Can y'all see them over there?
There they are. Oh, there's...
See them over there?
I got 2 little ones. I knocked their legs off and got through the fence on me.
What do you guys think? That there was a hog hunt. Wow, we kicked him out. Lance here has special ability. That was some good shooting.
Oh man,
This is got my ears ringing. Wow.
Oh yeah.
That baby was barking.
oh man.
All of a sudden,
I told you, whenever it gets western, you better hold on.
It got western.
So you want us to collect these things? Yeah, let's throw them in the wreck.
Yeah, that was a good.
Yuck. Stinky. La Flama Blanca. Well guys, it's been hard to find the hogs. They are tough critters. Not only are they destructive, but they have no predators, and these things are good at hiding, good at not getting found. So we kicked some out over there. There's some really tall CRP. There's a big fat pig way over there we got to try to get tonight, but we kicked this family out, and oh man, probably about 20 pigs. One thing to know, guys, you know, it might look like this is cruel, inhumane, all that stuff, but guys, to see the destruction that these hogs do to these farmer fields, insane. There's a field of corn for this farmer. I would say 90% dug up. They just went right down the rows and ate it all up. Just unbelievable. Hey guys, we are all geared up. We're gonna do some quick sitting. So we're gonna head out over there into the creek, water tank they call it, natural water hole. Do some quick calling. So we're all geared up, camoed up. What do you think, Rick?
Ready to go.
All right. Elijah, looks like you're ready for Afghanistan.
You want a towelette?
What's that for?
If you got a poo.
Really big pig. We're waiting until dark. We're gonna put the thermals on him. Elijah's excited.
Ready?
That's the big shoot. Here's the site. And they're hauling the monster out. Look at the size of this pig. Oh my goodness. Look at the tusks on that thing.
That's a blue ribbon.
We got him, guys. We got him. Wow. This deserves a high five.
Kidding me.
High five.
High fives all there on the board there.
Left hand.
Woo! We got the big pig. Well, all good things must come to an end, right, Lance? That's right. Yeah, we're getting all packed up here. We got all our gear together.
Going back to the tundra.
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Did we accomplish our goals?
Obviously, yeah.
We did.
We definitely helped the farmer. We could have helped some more, but some of that was on us. We had a good time, learned a lot of new things, and we're ready to load up. Axel. Axel. Good dog, good dog. Yeah, good dog. Goodbye, La Flama. You've been good to us. This is where the real skill comes in.
What is in this thing?
It's my life's possessions. Lance here is seeing us off, so we really appreciate your time.
Yes, sir, man.
Really
Enjoyed
great
it.
to meet you.
Yep.
And we had a lot of fun.
Oh man, glad you did. Glad you helped us with the pigs.
Yeah,
There's plenty of them.
we learned a lot, and we're just thankful to have an opportunity. Hey, Dean's hooking up the front tricycle wheel so we can tow her out, and we'll be on our journey.